Hello and welcome to my video. This is unit number 11229. It's a 2016 Quailridge 39DLB2. It's blue with white trim, kind of a medium blue with white shutters, white trim. It's a rear loft, so it has a step down into the master bedroom. House type rear entry door. That's a great feature. 6-foot vinyl patio door. Where you see the covers, the round covers, it has 2 outside lights. It's not quite as bright today as I'd like it to be, but nonetheless, you're going to get a tour. There's the step down into the master bedroom. That's Quailridge's signature wardrobe. You've got lights in the closet, 4 drawers down the middle, and 2 big drawers on each side. You'll notice it has full extension ball bearing drawer guides. The side closets are wardrobe closets. Hopefully you can see in there. Okay. Step up into the living area. This is the only 2-bedroom floor plan that combines the living room, dining room, and kitchen all into one rather large area. There's a ladder loft. Any kid over about the age of 2 just loves to climb that ladder and be up in the loft. You've got a ceiling fan. These come with everything in them, stays in them. Several common features to all Quailridges are the rocker recliner, table and 4 chairs. There's a leaf in the table. You can collapse it and make it about 10 inches smaller. All the sofas are sleeper sofas. They all have 20-gallon electric hot water heaters. End table and nightstand and a big lamp and a small lamp. Okay, so there's your dinette area. Lots of storage in this one. You've got adjustable shelving in most of the cabinets, self-closing hinges. You can put a TV there up to about a 39-incher, or it's plumb to put a TV on the back wall there, and you could probably fit whatever you wanted to there. You've got a stainless steel faucet with the pull-out sprayer, black appliances, black microwave, 56,000 BTU furnace, and here's one of the best parts of this trailer, a full-size bunk room. Them are full-size beds with no weight limitations. This trailer easily sleeps 10. Easily sleeps 10. The guest closet is a nice big closet here, or you can use it for whatever you need it for. The bathroom, nice big bright bathroom. You've got a tub, shower combination, overhead skylight to let in lots of natural light, a window, medicine cabinet, vanity, porcelain stool, and storage underneath the vanity. All my trailers I order in with linoleum on the entire main floor. Quailridge is only allowed to carpet the lofts and master bedrooms if it's a Kelly Hicks trailer. I've been the largest dealer for Quailridge almost since their existence. Anyhow, this was the tour of 2016 39DLB2, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, just give Kelly a call at 815-849-9089. MSRP on this trailer here is just shy of $48,000. Good looking trailer. There's a place for the other outside light. Outside type or house type rear door, and unit number 11229. Thanks and have a great day.